I'm on a new build garden, and one of the most versatile things you can have for that is planting in containers. A lot of new build gardens will have large patio areas. So being able to have several containers that you can fill with plants, whether they're annuals, herbaceous, shrubs, or even trees, if the container is large enough, you can create a really versatile display every year. What I've got here is a nice tall container, and here it's an Italian cypress tree, a very juvenile one, Cypressus sempervirens. And what I'm going to do is pot this up using compost and some Caledonian horticulture green goodness. Now this container is already partly full, so what I'm going to do is take this out, just squeeze the roots. It's been there in a little while, just throw that down and just check how high I want it to be. Good. I'm just going to take some, fill it up. Make sure that I build the height and then check it. I'm quite happy with that. So from here, I'm just going to backfill and just make sure that you firm it down around the root system there, just so it's not loose. If it's loose, when it rains, that soil's going to sink down, and then you're going to find that you don't have enough in there. Firming it down also will just close off those air gaps as well. So it'll be really good for the roots to always be in contact with soil. That's nearly there. Right. So that's planted exactly as it was in its pot. So now I'm going to stake it in just with the cane that came with it. Just pop that down and then tie it in. I'm going to use a figure of 8 movement with the string. That way we don't disrupt the tree itself. And I can cut that away later. Okay, now I'm going to use some wood chip from Caledonian Horticulture just to lay across the top. This is really going to help with retaining moisture. It's in a tall container, and that's going to tell all the water to drain to the bottom. So we want to keep the compost and green goodness mix nice and moist. And by doing that, a good layer of this wood chip is going to help a lot. Over time, it will break down, compost down, and feed the soil. So it works in 2 ways.